In this video, I just want to talk about what an IPv4 address looks like. Now, to a computer, it looks a little different than it does to you and me. So let's see what it looks like to a computer. It looks like a set of bits. In fact, there are 32 bits, and a bit, of course, is either a 1 or a 0. So it might look something like this. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. Let's see, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is an IP address. Now, this is a little hard for you and me to work with. It's a lot of bits. And so what we would typically do would be to divide these up into 4 bytes. Now, a byte is 8 bits. So let's do that. Let's count here. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right here is 8. So I'm just going to put a division right there. And in order to set this off from the others, what we're going to do is put a dot right there. All right, let's count 8 more bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right here we have another 8 bits, and so I'm going to put a dot right there to set that off. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bits there, so I'll put a dot in that location, and then we have 8 more bits at the end. So we have 4 sets of 8 bits. This form right here would be called dotted form. But we might go even farther. We might change this to decimal numbers rather than binary numbers to make it easier for you and me to understand them. So it turns out that this first section is 192. Now later on we'll go into how to convert these back and forth. But for now I'm just going to put 192. This second one is 168. And I'll put another dot. This third one here is 20. And I'll put a dot. And this fourth one represents 1. So these now are dotted decimal form. Dotted decimal form. All right, the next thing I want to do is to distinguish each of these sections to make it easy for us to refer to them. So if I just try to refer to the second one, I don't want to just keep saying the second little bunch there. I want to give it a name. So I'm going to call this first part here the first octet. Now, oct, of course, means 8. And so there are 8 bits in. That's why we call this an octet. And over here, we have the second octet. And then the third octet. And finally, the fourth octet. All right, now we have a complete IPv4 address in dotted decimal form showing the 4 octets. Now, in future videos then, we'll talk a little bit more about converting from binary to decimal and what these numbers mean in here.